In this video, you will learn how to get earthquakes and other emergency alerts on an iPhone or iPad. So, if you want to turn on emergency alerts on an iPhone or iPad, this is the video you need to watch. Hey guys, I'm Rahul from TechReview, and without any further delay, let's learn how to turn on emergency alerts on an iPhone or iPad. In order to turn on emergency alerts on an iPhone or iPad, what you have to do is you have to first of all go to settings. And once you are in settings, you have to scroll until you find notifications. And once you find notifications, tap on that and this will take you inside notification settings on an iPhone or iPad. And after that, you have to scroll all the way down and there you will find the option to turn on emergency alerts. But as you can see here, we are not getting the options to turn on emergency alerts, and that's because we haven't got any SIM card or carrier on this iPhone. So let me get an iPhone with SIM card enabled, and after that I'll show you the further steps. So now I have got an iPhone with SIM card or cellular connectivity enabled, and if I show you here how to turn on emergency alerts on iPhone or iPad, what I'll do is I'll go to settings and then scroll to notifications and then tap on that, and here if I scroll all the way to the down, then you can see there is test alerts here which is enabled, and this is one of the ways the government of my country sends the emergency alerts and notifications on my iPhone. Since I have turned it on, so I'll get the emergency alerts and notifications regarding earthquakes, weather, etc. on my iPhone. But it is worth noting that in order to get emergency alerts and other such important notifications from the government, you have to have at least one SIM card or cellular connectivity enabled on iPhone. And that is the rule in my country, India. And depending upon the country you live in, the rules may vary and you might get more or less options here for enabling or disabling the emergency alerts on iPhone or iPad. So this way you may get earthquakes, weather and other emergency alerts on iPhone or iPad. I hope you found this video helpful. And by the way, if you want to learn how to silence unknown callers on your iPhone without blocking them, make sure to tap here to watch this video. I'm Rahul signing off, and I'll see you in the next video.